Hey guys, want to make a video about your iPhone 16, how it's a dual SIM card accessible. So then basically what we're going to want to do in case you need two SIM cards, two phone numbers, you're going to want to take out the box. There's a tool inside the box. Comes right here with the cord. And if you don't have, if you lose this tool, you can try using a paper clip or something that's this skinny, tiny pen. But be careful with a sharp edged pen. Could scratch your phone. Then what we're going to want to do is go ahead and put this into the little hole. And once it's inside, push it. It'll pop right out like that. So once it pops out, then you have this tray right here. And you'll notice that the tray, both sides are different. So this is the normal side. And if you only have one chip, one SIM card, then go ahead and just put this in. But if you have two SIM cards, say you travel around, say you in between countries, we're going to take our second chip, and we're going to go ahead and put it in this side. And you'll notice that this side there's a spring. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to go ahead and put it in facing this way. You want to almost like kind of go this direction and push it down onto the spring. And then all we have to do is turn it around, and that spring will keep that chip in. And all we have to do is put it back in. Put it in gently, slowly. There's a little gasket for the waterproofing, which is essential, so you don't want to mess that up. And then we're going to slowly push that in, and voila. So once you put that in, then you should be good, and everything should be working. If you go to settings, go to cellular, you'll see on the bottom where your SIM is that there's a primary and a secondary. I don't want to show my phone number, so I'm not going to expose that, but quite easy to go and check yourself. But yep, so just go to settings, you'll go to cellular, and then you'll see your two SIM cards. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Please like or comment below. Bye-bye.